Okay, as hi everyone, this is Brian Kaprowski, your HEA 110 instructor. I just wanted to go over some items with you in this video. First thing I wanted to go over was that your Chapter 4 sleep quiz and the written assignments are due this evening, September the 20th at 11:59 p.m. This coming week, we are going to be exploring intimate relationships and communication. So, within that chapter, we are going to look at the qualities to help you develop an intimate relationship. We are going to explain the healthy and productive ways to communicate with your partner. We are going to describe love relationships as well as being single and what that all entails. We're going to discuss the benefits and challenges of being married, and we're going to describe the challenges and rewards of family life. Really great chapter. It's going to give you a lot of insight and hopefully be able to build stronger bonds with those people around you that you love. That is going to be due, the chapter 5 assignments are going to be due next Sunday, September the 27th at 11:59 p.m. Just wanted to go over some other aspects. Please, when you're doing the written assignments, you're paying close attention to your grammar and the punctuation. I will take off points if it's hard for me to understand what you are writing. There are some cases where some of you are writing good thoughts, but you're not separating your sentences. So they just consist of a run-on sentence without really any commas. So make sure that you're separating the sentences between one another. In addition to that, make sure that you're answering all the parts of the question. So read the question very thoroughly and make sure that you're answering each part of the question. Some of you forgot to answer a particular part of the question, and I have to take off points for that as well. So just in the future, make sure that you're paying close attention. And look at the feedback that I'm providing to you on the questions that I am grading. I'm trying to help you learn from what I am looking for in the class. So make sure that you are reading that feedback and then you're making a note of it and you're applying that on the future assignments. That will greatly help you bring up the points on each of the assignments that are due in the class. I hope you're going to have a great week this week, and please feel free to reach out to me with any questions or concerns that you might have. Thanks. Bye-bye.